Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming requirements. Windows 11 Home, 64-bit CPU with SLAT, and virtualization support. Next, reboot into UEFI/BIOS and enable Intel VTX or AMD V. This unlocks hardware acceleration for Hyper-V. Once done, boot Windows and open Settings right arrow Update and Security to install pending updates. Then create a restore point to roll back if needed. These steps prepare the system and reduce failure risk, so make sure to complete them before enabling features. You now enable the Hyper-V features inside Windows. Open Control Panel, right arrow programs, right arrow turn Windows features on or off. Check Hyper-V, Hyper-V Management Tools, and Hyper-V Platform, then click OK to install. Make sure to restart when prompted. If you prefer the command line, run dism as admin. dism/online/enable feature/all/featurename, Microsoft Hyper-V, and reboot. This installs the hypervisor and tools needed to create and manage VMs, so you can run virtual machines efficiently with hardware support. You finish by launching Hyper-V Manager from start, create a virtual switch for network connectivity, and then create a new virtual machine. Assign CPU cores, RAM, and a VHDX disk, and attach your installation ISO. Once configured, start the VM and proceed with OS installation. If Hyper-V fails to run, check bcdedit/enum to confirm hypervisor is enabled. If it's disabled, run bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type auto and reboot. That single check resolves most startup issues, so
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.